The field of agriculture is constantly evolving and advancing, with the goal of producing more food with fewer resources. One area where ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI, can play a critical role is in natural language understanding for precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is a farming management concept that uses technology to optimize crop yields. In order for precision agriculture systems to interact with their surroundings, they need to be able to understand and respond to natural language input. For example, a precision agriculture system may need to understand and respond to a farmer's instructions or a weather forecast. ChatGPT can be used to improve the natural language understanding capabilities of precision agriculture systems by training it on a dataset of speech and language data. This allows the model to learn the nuances of human speech, allowing the system to understand and respond to natural language input more accurately. Another area where ChatGPT can be used in precision agriculture is in the generation of crop health alerts. Precision agriculture systems need to be able to detect crop health issues such as pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. ChatGPT can be used to generate alerts such as pest infestation detected or crop nutrient deficiency by training the model on a dataset of crop health alerts. This can help improve crop management and increase overall crop yields. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used for natural language generation in precision agriculture. This allows the precision agriculture system to generate natural language responses to farmers or other stakeholders. For example, the system could respond to a farmer's request for crop yields with a natural language response such as, "The expected crop yield for this field is 100 tons per hectare." This can create a more natural and human-like interaction between the system and its users. ChatGPT can also be used for natural language-based decision-making in precision agriculture. This allows the precision agriculture system to understand and respond to natural language commands such as, when to plant, or how much fertilizer to use. ChatGPT can be trained on a dataset of natural language commands and use this knowledge to make decisions about planting, harvesting, and crop management. This can create a more natural and intuitive way for farmers to interact with the precision agriculture system and make more informed decisions based on the system's analysis and recommendations. One way ChatGPT can be used in agriculture is in the field of weather forecasting. Accurate weather forecasting is essential for farmers to make informed decisions about planting, harvesting, and crop management. ChatGPT can be trained on a dataset of weather data to generate more accurate weather forecasts. By analyzing historical weather patterns and making predictions based on that data, ChatGPT can help farmers plan for upcoming weather conditions and make more informed decisions about when to plant, harvest, or apply pesticides. Another way ChatGPT can be used in agriculture is in the field of soil analysis. Soil analysis is an important aspect of crop management as it provides valuable information about the nutrient content and pH level of the soil. ChatGPT can be used to analyze soil samples and generate reports on the nutrient content and pH level of the soil. This can help farmers to make more informed decisions about fertilization and crop management, ultimately leading to increased crop yields. ChatGPT can also be used in the field of crop monitoring. Crop monitoring involves monitoring crop growth and development, as well as identifying any issues that may arise. ChatGPT can be trained on a dataset of crop monitoring data to identify patterns and make predictions about crop growth and development. By analyzing crop images, ChatGPT can be used to detect crop diseases, pests, or nutrient deficiencies, and generate alerts for farmers. Finally, ChatGPT can also be used in the field of precision irrigation. Precision irrigation is the practice of applying water in the exact amount and at the exact time required by crops. ChatGPT can be used to analyze data from weather forecasts, soil moisture sensors, and crop growth data to make predictions about when to water crops and how much water to apply. By analyzing data from multiple sources and providing accurate predictions, ChatGPT can help farmers optimize irrigation and reduce water waste. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the field of precision agriculture. By improving natural language understanding, generating crop health alerts, and allowing for natural language-based decision-making, ChatGPT can help farmers increase crop yields and optimize crop management. With the ability to understand and analyze text, ChatGPT can help precision agriculture systems to provide farmers with valuable insights and recommendations, thus improving the overall efficiency of agricultural production. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.